but one of my favorite things I learned was the importance of eye contact and the importance of looking at somebody, like in this section, and not really like looking down and not glancing for too long of a time. And one of the other things I liked was entering a room and looking at people's feet, because I've never heard that before, and watching like the feet, like which direction someone's feet are pointed, to kind of, you know, figure out if they're interested or trying to get out of the room while you're talking. So social cues, I think, was probably my favorite part that I learned. What I like about Lula is that I thought she did a great job of mixing up stories with facts, sharing video. She had the TED Talks, and then she had some like great impersonations of like do's and don'ts of, you know, whether you're giving someone a business card or a meeting. I love the handshake part, but she was really personable and funny too, which was always I always enjoy.
I learned a lot. I wish I would have had this session 20 years ago, but I've got a networking event tomorrow night, and I feel so much better prepared knowing how to meet and greet and come across as a credible person. She was real. She lived this from being, you know, in the corporate world outside of this, and she has a talent of being able to be humorous and credible, and had a lot of different examples. So it really helped, you know, me to, you know, apply it to my everyday.